shocking case of Jacqueline and Trezell West, who this morning entered not guilty pleas in court to the 5 criminal charges filed against them for the disappearance and presumed death of their 2 adoptive sons. 17's Christian Galeno joins us live outside the Curry County Superior Court with the latest. So, Christian, what happened in court this morning?
Yeah, Moses. Well, the West made their first appearance 48 hours after they were arrested about 17 miles west of Bakersfield, and about 24 hours since DA Cynthia Zimmer made that shocking announcement of the presumed death of boys Orrin and Orson West.
Will you give up that right so that your case can be set for trial on May 23rd, 2022?
This was the first time ever that the adoptive parents Jacqueline and Trezell West and a member of the biological family of Orrin and Orson West were in the same room.
This is the first time I've ever seen them physically, and it gives us a little more comfort to know that they arrested them. Just staring at them, man, just how can y'all hurt these babies?
Are you Trezell West?
Trezell West is represented by Timothy Hennessy.
Jacqueline West? The defendant is present. She's in custody.
Jacqueline West by Alexia Torres Stallings. Prosecutor Eric Smith asked that all reports be sealed and a gag order issued, barring attorneys, investigators, and witnesses from publicly commenting on evidence. Court documents list the circumstances that the West now face, which may lead to harsher penalties. But with offense reports sealed, specific details will not be known until the trial starts. Details like if the West may have induced one of their children to help or assist in the crime.
The defendants are both a significant and substantial risk to the public safety.
Judge Chad Louie ordered both be held without bail and scheduled trial for May 23rd, but given that the defense counsel has only just been assigned, that date will likely be postponed.
I want to find the boys' bodies. That's what is going to give us closure. If something happens to them, we're not going to ever get closure. So we want to keep them as alive as possible because we need the bodies.
If convicted, the West faced 30 years to life on murder charges. Zimmer refused to say if anyone else was going to be arrested in this case. Law enforcement has not found the bodies of either of the missing boys.
They need to pay for what they did. There is monsters like the ones that are in court right now. But there's a lot of parents that are not the monsters. We love our kids. Kids should not be taken from a loving, caring home.
It feels good, though, to see them sitting there handcuffed in those brown suits or whatever. That's where they belong.
Now, a motion for the gag order is scheduled for next week. For now, reporting live in downtown Bakersfield.